In the ever-evolving world of home design and decor, the demand for versatile and efficient window treatments has never been higher. One such solution that has gained immense popularity is the custom motorized blackout roller shade. These innovative window coverings offer a seamless blend of style, functionality, and energy efficiency, transforming the ambience of any space. Benefits of custom motorized blackout roller shades. Precise light control. Custom motorized blackout roller shades offer unparalleled control over the amount of natural light entering your space. With the touch of a button, you can adjust the shades to let in just the right amount of light, creating the perfect ambience for any occasion. Improved energy efficiency. These window treatments are designed to provide superior insulation, helping to regulate the temperature in your home. By blocking out unwanted sunlight, they can significantly reduce your energy consumption and lower your utility bills, making them an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution. Enhanced privacy and comfort. Blackout roller shades offer complete privacy, allowing you to create a peaceful and undisturbed environment, whether you're working from home, enjoying a movie night, or seeking a restful night's sleep. Versatile design options. Custom motorized blackout roller shades come in a wide range of styles, colors, and fabrics, enabling you to seamlessly integrate them into your existing decor and create a cohesive, visually appealing look. Convenience and ease of use. The motorized functionality of these shades eliminates the need for manual operation, providing you with effortless control at the touch of a button or through a convenient remote or smart home integration. Improved home value. By enhancing the aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency of your home, custom motorized blackout roller shades can increase the overall value of your property, making them a wise investment for the future. Features and functionality of custom motorized blackout roller shades. Custom motorized blackout roller shades offer a wide range of features and functionalities that cater to your specific needs and preferences. Some of the key features include motorized operation. The motorized mechanism allows for seamless and effortless control of the shades, enabling you to raise, lower, or adjust the level of light with the touch of a button. Blackout capabilities. The blackout fabric used in these shades effectively blocks out all incoming light, creating a completely dark environment for optimal sleep, movie watching, or privacy. Customizable sizing. Custom motorized blackout roller shades are made to measure, ensuring a perfect fit for your windows, regardless of their size or shape. Variety of fabric choices. You can choose from a diverse selection of fabric options, including various textures, patterns, and opacities, to complement your interior design. Integrated smart home compatibility. Many custom motorized blackout roller shades can be integrated with smart home systems, allowing you to control them using voice commands or through a smartphone app. Durable construction. These window treatments are built to withstand daily use and exposure to sunlight, ensuring long-lasting performance and minimal maintenance. Noise-reducing design. Some custom motorized blackout roller shades are designed with noise-reducing features, providing a peaceful and serene environment. How to choose the right custom motorized blackout roller shades for your space. Selecting the perfect custom motorized blackout roller shades for your space requires careful consideration of several factors. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you make an informed decision. Measure your windows. Accurately measure the width and length of your windows to ensure a perfect fit for your custom roller shades. Determine your lighting needs. Consider the amount of natural light you want to control and the level of blackout capabilities required for your space. Evaluate your decor style. Choose a fabric and color that seamlessly integrates with your existing interior design, creating a cohesive and visually appealing look. Consider energy efficiency. Look for shades with high-quality insulation properties to maximize energy savings and reduce your carbon footprint. Explore smart home integration. If you're interested in voice control or app-based operation, opt for custom motorized blackout roller shades with smart home compatibility. Prioritize durability and maintenance. Invest in shades made from durable materials that require minimal maintenance to ensure long-lasting performance. Consult with experts. Reach out to a reputable window treatment provider, like Diamond Custom Shutters in Ontario, Canada, to receive personalized recommendations and professional installation services. Maintenance and care tips for custom motorized blackout roller shades. Maintaining the pristine condition of your custom motorized blackout roller shades is essential to ensure their long-lasting performance and optimal functionality. Here are some tips to keep your shades looking and operating at their best. Regular dusting. Gently wipe the surface of the shades with a soft, microfiber cloth to remove any accumulated dust or debris. Spot cleaning. For more stubborn stains or marks, use a mild, water-based cleaning solution and a damp cloth, being careful not to soak the fabric. Avoid direct sunlight. Prolonged exposure to direct sunlight can cause the fabric to fade over time, so try to keep the shades closed when not in use. Professional cleaning. For a more thorough cleaning, consider having your custom motorized blackout roller shades professionally cleaned every few years to maintain their appearance and extend their lifespan. Lubricate moving parts. Periodically apply a small amount of silicone-based lubricant to the moving parts of the motorized mechanism to ensure smooth and quiet operation. Avoid excessive force. Be gentle when operating the shades, and avoid forcefully pulling or tugging on the fabric, as this can damage the material and the motorized mechanism. Follow manufacturer's instructions. Consult the manufacturer's guidelines for specific maintenance and care recommendations to ensure the longevity of your custom motorized blackout roller shades. Energy efficiency of custom motorized blackout roller shades. One of the standout features of custom motorized blackout roller shades is their exceptional energy-saving capabilities. These window treatments are designed to provide superior insulation, helping to regulate the temperature in your home and reduce your energy consumption. Here's a closer look at how custom motorized blackout roller shades can enhance the energy efficiency of your living space. Thermal insulation. The blackout fabric used in these shades acts as a barrier, preventing heat transfer and maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature. This can lead to significant savings on heating and cooling costs throughout the year. Solar heat gain control. By blocking out unwanted sunlight, custom motorized blackout roller shades can effectively reduce the amount of solar heat that enters your home, minimizing the need for air conditioning during the warmer months. Improved ventilation. When paired with energy-efficient windows, these shades can enhance natural ventilation, allowing you to take advantage of the outdoor climate and further reduce your reliance on mechanical heating and cooling systems. Energy-efficient materials. Many custom motorized blackout roller shades are manufactured using eco-friendly materials and production processes, further contributing to their overall energy-saving capabilities. Smart home integration. When integrated with smart home systems, custom motorized blackout roller shades can be programmed to automatically adjust based on the time of day, weather conditions, and occupancy patterns, optimizing energy usage and maximizing cost savings. By investing in custom motorized blackout roller shades, you can not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home but also significantly improve its energy efficiency, ultimately reducing your carbon footprint and lowering your utility bills. The perfect blend of style and functionality with custom motorized blackout roller shades. Custom motorized blackout roller shades are the epitome of form and function, seamlessly blending style, light control, and energy efficiency to create a truly remarkable window treatment solution. These shades can be tailored to complement any interior design style, from modern and minimalist to traditional and elegant. With a vast array of fabric options, including solid colors, patterns, and textures, you can easily find a shade that aligns with your personal aesthetic and enhances the overall ambience of your living space. Beyond their visual appeal, custom motorized blackout roller shades offer unparalleled functionality. The motorized mechanism provides effortless control, allowing you to adjust the amount of natural light with the touch of a button or through voice commands. This level of convenience and customization empowers you to create the perfect environment for any occasion, whether you're seeking a cozy movie night, a restful sleep, or a productive work from home setup. Moreover, the energy-efficient properties of these shades contribute to their overall functionality, helping to regulate the temperature in your home and reduce your carbon footprint. By minimizing the need for mechanical heating and cooling systems, custom motorized blackout roller shades can lead to significant cost savings on your utility bills, making them a wise investment for your home. Why choose diamondcustomshutters.ca for custom motorized blackout roller shades in Ontario, Canada? When it comes to enhancing your living space with custom motorized blackout roller shades, Diamond Custom Shutters in Ontario, Canada, is the trusted partner you can rely on. With years of experience and a commitment to excellence, they offer a comprehensive range of high-quality window treatment solutions tailored to meet your unique needs. As a leading provider of custom shutters, blinds, and shades in the region, Diamond Custom Shutters has established a reputation for exceptional craftsmanship, personalized service, and unparalleled attention to detail. Their team of design experts and installation professionals work closely with you to understand your preferences, measure your windows, and create custom motorized blackout roller shades that seamlessly integrate with your home's aesthetic. What sets Diamond Custom Shutters apart is their dedication to using only the finest materials and state-of-the-art manufacturing techniques. Their custom motorized blackout roller shades are built to last, ensuring long-lasting performance and minimal maintenance. Additionally, they offer a wide selection of fabric choices, allowing you to find the perfect match for your interior design. Furthermore, Diamond Custom Shutters' commitment to customer satisfaction is unparalleled. They provide comprehensive guidance throughout the entire process, from the initial consultation to the final installation, ensuring a hassle-free and enjoyable experience. Their attention to detail and commitment to exceeding your expectations make them the ideal choice for enhancing your living space with custom motorized blackout roller shades in Ontario, Canada. Experience the ultimate in style, light control, and energy efficiency with custom motorized blackout roller shades from Diamond Custom Shutters in Ontario, Canada. Contact their team of experts today to schedule a consultation and transform your living space into a haven of comfort and sophistication. Conclusion and final thoughts. Custom motorized blackout roller shades are the epitome of form and function, offering a seamless blend of style, light control, and energy efficiency. By investing in these innovative window treatments, you can elevate the ambience of your living space, create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, and enjoy significant cost savings on your energy bills. With a wide range of customization options, expert installation services, and a dedication to customer satisfaction, Diamond Custom Shutters in Ontario, Canada, is the trusted partner you can rely on to enhance your home with the perfect custom motorized blackout roller shades. Embrace the power of custom motorized blackout roller shades and unlock a world of possibilities for your living space. Please like, share, subscribe, and visit us at diamondcustomshutters.ca today. Elevate your home's aesthetic, improve its energy efficiency, and enjoy the unparalleled convenience and comfort that these remarkable window treatments provide.